Michelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Beyonce inspired look. So this look was inspired by her Ivy Park Adidas collection that she just came out with recently. It sold out so fast, but luckily enough I was able to pick up some pieces. I didn't really get a whole lot because everything was sold out so fast, so I had to grab what I could get. And as soon as I got my stuff in the mail, I was just like, you know what, I should film a Beyonce inspired tutorial since I haven't done a celebrity inspired look in a very long time. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you want to see more celebrity inspired look because I have a few more that I want to do. But anyway, so yeah, this is the look that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing the hair, the makeup. So if you want to see how I achieve this entire look from start to finish, please continue to watch. This is the wig I'm working with today. Yeah, she old and she's a little dusty. The lace is looking a little rough, but you know, she's gonna look cute when we're done with her. I've had this wig for, I think, probably 2 years, and I did not film a video on how to achieve this color. This is not the original color. So the original color was black, and all I did to it was bleach the hair. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I used to bleach the hair. I'll put it in the video. I'll put it in the description bar down below. So I did nothing to it. I didn't tone it. I did absolutely nothing. This is the results I got when I bleached it. So it's kind of like that brassy, browny, orange. I'm actually feeling this color, and I think it's gonna work for this Beyonce transformation that we're trying to do. So I'm gonna add some blonde pieces in here, and hopefully I'm praying that it looks good. Now, like I said, this wig is old. Like the lace is, you know, she's all worn out. I've worn this wig a lot. All right, so now we're gonna move on to bleaching the hair. So I'm gonna be using Blonde Me, and I can't pronounce the actual name of this bleach, so I'm not gonna butcher it, but the name will be in the description box. But I'm telling you right now, guys, it's the best I've ever used. And I'm mixing in some 30 Developer. I probably could have used 20, but I used 30. So I'm just mixing it together, and I'm getting a thick consistency. I want it to be thick. I don't want it to be too runny. So this is the color that we're working with. And as I mentioned before, this hair was already bleached, and I actually bleached it with the Loreal Bleach. So I will put everything in a description bar down below. So I went ahead and I backcombed the section where I want to apply the bleach. So I'm not going to apply a lot of the blonde pieces throughout the hair. I just want to pick random spots to add the blonde pieces. Again, I am not a professional. I'm just kind of winging it. So if you see me doing something wrong in this video, you can comment down below and let me know. Don't drag me too much. So I'm going to add some foil so the hair can bleach faster. You guys, this hair was bleaching so fast. I did not need any foils. So I only added the foils in the back of the hair, and then I actually took them out because I'm like, this is bleaching way too fast. So I end up taking out the foils, and I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm just back combing, and then I go in with my bleach. I did not bring it up all the way to the roots, and I'm gonna leave this in the hair for about, I'd say 15 minutes. I did not leave the bleach in for very long because, like I said, this bleach is so good and it's so powerful, you guys. Like, I didn't want the hair to be too blonde, so I only left the bleach on for about 10 minutes. Now, this will depend on the hair that you're using. Some hair tend to bleach faster than some. It's always good to do a strong test before you apply bleach all over your extensions. As you can see, I went in with some purple shampoo just to tone the hair, and I'm using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and I left it on for about 10 minutes, and then I washed it out. So now I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer and blow her out. So she's all blown out and she's straightened and she's looking real cute. I brought her back to life. I also applied conditioner to the hair, and I left the conditioner in the hair for about all day, all night long. And this is the very next day that I'm filming, just to get the hair back to feeling nice and soft, because you know, when you do bleaching, you can leave the hair feeling dry. Now the conditioner that I use is the Pantene Pro V conditioner, and now I'm going to go in with my curling iron, and I'm grabbing small sections of hair, and I'm just going to curl it, hold it for about 10 seconds and let it go. Beyonce had very, very loose curls, so I'm not going to leave the curls like this. I'm going to brush them out later on. As I mentioned before, the hair color was originally black before I bleached it, and I made this wig. So this is one of the wigs that I customized and made myself. I do have a lot of videos, very detailed videos on how I make wigs and how I customize them. So this is the new color. She's looking cute. So the wig is on. I'm gonna go back in and style the front a bit more later on after I do my makeup. but I put it on real quickly, and I do have wig application videos on my channel. You guys, I was a little lazy when I applied this wig, so I did not do the ball cap method, so you can probably see my ball cap right there, but I tried to cover it up with some concealer. I'll fix it up a little later, so if you see that, just ignore it. So anyways, let's move on and let me do my makeup, because my face is looking a little dry and dusty right now. She needs moisturizer, like bad. I've been using this a lot lately. This is the Huda Beauty Wishful Get Even Rose Oil. So, I mean, I don't really put it on like this, but this is how people put it on Instagram. Realistically, I just put it in my hand and put it on my face, but I'm just trying to be cute. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. So since I'm doing a Beyonce inspired look, I need some brows, okay? She got nice, thick, full brows. And do you see my brows? Struggling. But I used that eyebrow razor to clean them up, and I took off a little bit too much brow, so I had to make the other one even. And yeah, now I have no tail, but it's eyebrows, it'll grow back, right? So I'm gonna go in with my Benefits My Precisely Brow Pencil and just create some thicker brows. So now I'm gonna go into my MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm gonna grab the lightest shade, and that's what I'm gonna use to carve out my brows, and I'm also gonna use it as a eyeshadow base. Now that the concealer is on, I'm just gonna go in with some translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder. I'm just gonna go ahead, set that concealer and lock it into place before I put on my eyeshadow. I thought she had green eyeshadow all I can't talk. I thought she had green eyeshadow all over her eyelids, but she doesn't. So I managed to get a very close-up shot, and it's actually green eyeshadow in the crease and green on the waterline. I could be wrong. It could be actually green liner. I think it's probably green liner, but I don't have any green liner, so I'm just gonna use eyeshadow. So I'm gonna grab this light brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna pat this onto my eyelid. I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush and just blend that into my crease area as well. So I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow right here, and this is from the Colored Rain Juicy Boost palette. I'm just gonna pop that into my crease. Guys, my nails are so raggedy. Please don't judge me. Like, I just haven't had a chance to go get my nails done. I feel like every time I come on here, I keep saying, you know, I just had a baby. Yes, I did. I just had a baby. I'm using that as an excuse, okay? I have not had a chance to get my nails done. Now I'm gonna go in with some black liquid liner, and I'm gonna create the thinnest line ever. I'm gonna go back into the Colored Rain Juicy Boost palette, and I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow Mint Leaves and Kale Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on top of the liner. Based on the picture I'm looking at, she has a green liner. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. This is my first time using it, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. I just wanted to try it out because it just looks interesting, and it says hydrating. It has a strong smell. Okay, so it feels hydrating, that's for sure. I'm gonna do some color correcting under my eyes because I need it. And if you don't need it, just skip this step. I'm gonna use the orange concealer. It's by MAC, and I'm just gonna place that under the eyes to cancel out these tired under eye dark circles. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC44 and apply it all over my face. I'm going to be using this brush. It's by Huda Beauty. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes because we're going to highlight. And to contour, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50. So I'm going to go in and blend my highlight first. I don't normally put on my highlight and contour at the same time and then blend it out. I don't know who I think I am right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend that contour, and I'm using the MAC Dual Fiber brush. And I'm also going to go in with the Colored Rain blending sponge. Oh, my sweet boy. Oh, your nails are so sharp. Okay, so moving right along, I'm going to do some baking, but I'm only going to bake. Okay, and for my under eyes, I'm gonna just set it with some powder. I can't do the baking under the eye. I'm an old lady. My under eyes will be dried, cracky, and wrinkly, so we don't do that over here. And snatch that nose. So now that my face is baking, I'm gonna move on and complete my brows and fill them in at the top. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust away the excess powder because, honey, we don't need it anymore. I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna grab this eyeshadow Sweet Potato and I'm gonna run it along my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go into my bronzer and I use this as a contour slash bronzer. And I'm gonna go in with some highlight. This one is old. I used it in the last video and the one before that. And I'm just gonna apply that to the highest point of my cheekbones. The brush that I'm using, it's the BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray brush. And I'm gonna go in with some MAC Fix Plus, and this is just gonna make my skin look glowy, dewy, not powdery and cakey. So I'm just gonna go in with some liner. I'm using MAC Cork. My lipstick today, I'm gonna use Nude Matte Lipstick by Anastasia. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some lip gloss to my lips because they dry. So this is the completed look. The makeup is done. I'm gonna put my outfits on, and yeah, this is everything I got from Ivy Park. I didn't really get to get a lot of stuff. I wish I could have gotten more, but honey, everything was sold out in 2.5 seconds. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was so much fun to film, and I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Bye.